Recently, these types of Sega edits have been blowing up across social media. What if I told you you don't need to be an editing expert to create this viral style, and you can do it in under an hour? No fluff. Let's jump straight into the process. I'll break this tutorial into 3 key sections. If you want to skip straight to the editing, check the timestamp below. Section 1, the iconic Sega text intro. Section 2, the dynamic middle layer with sonic visuals. Section 3, the complex beat-synced sequence. This third section is where most people struggle. Syncing clips to audio beats manually is tedious. But don't worry, I will show you how to use AI to ease your work. Let's get hands-on. First, download HitPaw Edimakor. I've left the link in the description for you. Step 1, setting up your project. Open the software and create a new project. Import all your video clips and audio files. Now drag your background music into the timeline. This will be our editing backbone. Listen to it and split it into 3 sections. Step 2, creating that classic Sega intro. Take your first video clip and place it in section 1. Navigate to the text templates library and select the one you like. Position it in the middle of the screen and type in Sega. Step 3, building the dynamic middle section. Drag your background image into section 2. I recommend using Sonic concept art here. Layer your main video clip on top of this background. Click the Remove Background button to isolate your subject. Put your character perfectly in the frame. Critical transition setup. Now we'll create the bridge to our final sequence. Add your transition image where the third section begins. This should be a freeze frame from your third part's opening clip. Click the snowflake icon to generate a freeze frame. Adjust the timing so it appears for 1.2 seconds. Then go to AI Tools, AI Cutout to remove the background. Then add a zoom-in animation to create that portal effect into the final sequence. Step 4, mastering the beat sync sequence. Here's where the magic happens. Right-click your audio in section 3 and select Beat Detection Fast. The software will automatically mark every bass kick and snare hit. Simply slot your video clips between these markers. Final polish. Add effects and transitions to it and watch how these simple steps transform raw footage into this Sega-style video. Isn't that great? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.